There is an increasing mobility of young and senior scholars across Europe and all over the world. In this respect, the European Accounting Association provides you with a very efficient way to get to your job market opportunities, both for recruiters and for candidates. Have a look at what happened in the previous editions. In the previous one, which was an online one, we had 75 candidates. It was very efficient, and most of the candidates got a job right after the EAA Talent Workshop. This video is going to provide you with an outline about what the Talent Workshop is about, in particularly in its online version. In this respect, you are going to see presentations on the part of the current president of the European Accounting Association, the upcoming president of the European Accounting Association, and importantly, from recruiters and candidates. Recruiters and candidates will provide you with very nice tips about what to do and what not to do with respect to your performance in the job market. Please do not hesitate, contact us for whatever support we can provide. Visit our website, which is a very informative one, and drop us an email to the email address of the EAA Talent Workshop for whatever comment or question that you may have. Many, many thanks, and looking forward to meeting you in November.
A key element of the EAA's mission is to enable accounting academics to develop themselves. Hosted by IE Business School, the EAA Talent Workshop is a crucial enabler of that goal. It's been a success story since Salvador Carmona, the EAA president at the time, started it in 2015. By matching young scholars to institutions that are looking to hire new faculty, the Talent Workshop increases the mobility of young scholars and accounting academics. It serves as an efficient meeting point for candidates and recruiters, and thereby supports the transparency and fairness of the academic hiring process. Due to the corona pandemic, the 2020 Talent Workshop had to move from its physical venue in Madrid to an online format. The hosts at IE Business School made it work fantastically, attracting the highest number of recruiters and candidates so far. The costs to recruiters were also much lower, and the EAA Talent Workshop has always been free for candidates. The 2021 edition also will be held online. If you are a recruiter, I hope that you will find a new colleague who enhances your department's academic vibrancy and team spirit. And if you're a job market candidate, I wish you the best of luck in finding the academic home that appreciates you with your unique talents and leanings, and that gives you the room to become the academic you aspire to be. I wish all of you a successful EAA Talent Workshop 2021.
And European Accounting Association Talent Workshop connects the supply of best European candidates and demand for assistant professors in accounting.
I think the overall experience of the workshop, whether it's in Madrid or whether it's online, was very beneficial for our university. As a young university, a new university, this gave us the opportunity to present ourselves to candidates. And that was an opportunity that we wouldn't have had otherwise. We never received applications from abroad. After participating at the workshop, we saw the number of applications that we get after we announce a position going way up.
At Aalto University School of Business, we have excellent experiences on recruiting in Talent Workshop. It's a great opportunity to make your business school more international. In my opinion, Talent Workshop is organized in a perfect way for searching candidates for assistant professorship with pre-screening, listening presentations, and having interesting discussions with great young scholars.
I also think that the workshop is especially beneficial to candidates themselves because they also have the opportunity to present their work to recruiters. But more importantly, because they get the opportunity to meet other candidates or faculty from other schools in Europe and around the world, actually. And this gives them the chance to start building their network. Now, for the online version in particular, I have to admit that I was a little bit wary at the beginning, but I was really pleasantly surprised by the end result. The online version offers a number of advantages to the recruiting universities. For starters, the candidate presentations can be watched by any faculty member of the hiring school and not just the 1 or 2 representatives who get to attend the event in person. In addition, we have as recruiters the opportunity to see the presentation of all candidates that we are interested in, not the ones that we can attend because of the parallel sessions. So, and not only that, we also, because the presentations are recorded, this allows us to watch them more carefully. For example, repeat important parts of the presentation or pause to more carefully read the slides. And this allows us to evaluate the candidates more thoroughly.
I attended the talent workshop from South Korea. It was great because there was no jet lag or any travel expenses. It also helped me focus on the interviews itself rather than compare with other candidates. But sometimes it was difficult to switch into interview mode from my house. I think one of the biggest difficulties with this talent workshop is that you have to meet new people online. So I hope you can strike a good balance between being friendly and being professional in a virtual environment. As for the application process, I tried to stay more open-minded and applied to as many schools as possible before the talent workshop. During the workshop, I tried to collect as much information about the schools, especially about the people and the atmosphere of the school, which I could only know from the interviews itself. Whenever possible, I also tried to observe how people interacted in order to get an idea about what the department atmosphere was like. On paper, every school seemed like a great opportunity, but after the interviews, I was surprised by the variation in schools. I had a better sense of what school would be better for me. After the interviews, I applied more selectively to schools. I know in this difficult job market, it seems risky not to apply to as many schools as possible, but I think the talent workshop was very important for me in making more informed decisions.
Hi everyone, here are my job market tips. First, your package is the passport to your job interviews, so treat it like a journal submission. Second, for your presentation, practice, practice, and practice again. It took me 107 times to have my presentation ready, but it was worth it. Third, during your job interviews, be yourself and keep an open mind. You might be pleasantly surprised by some schools you didn't expect. Also, don't be afraid of rejections. At the end, you can only accept one offer. Good luck, everybody.
And please don't forget the importance of lighting, the camera angle, and your background. Good luck.
I recommend you to participate in Talent Workshop if you have recently doctorated in accounting or if you are planning to recruit assistant professor in accounting at your university.
The Talent Workshop is a great initiative. The European Accounting Association has promoted and supported it since its start and will continue to do so in the future. Promoting the placement and the international mobility of our scholars is part of our mission, even more so during times when such mobility is subject to so many limitations. The Talent Workshop is a great opportunity for all of you, an opportunity that you cannot miss. And don't forget that the EAA is by your side at all stages of your academic career. All the best and good luck to all of you.